Good morning, friends. Today we are going to learn module number 3rd short stories Toba Tek Singh for your semester 4th of your paper Partition Literature. In the previous lecture, we learned about the author and biographical details of the author. And now we are going to learn about the particular short story Toba Tek Singh by Sadat Hasan Manto. What you are going to learn by reading and learning this particular short story. To acquaint the learners with the characters, theme, and ideas of the short story Toba Tek Singh, you are going to learn the theme of this particular short story, characters from this short story, and what are the ideas about the partition are conveyed to you is important in this particular story to enable students to understand the aftermath of the partition of the country, which brought a strange kind of madness, bestiality, and a horror in the minds of the people of both the countries, India and Pakistan. You are going to understand as the paper is named as partition literature, whatever the happenings after the partition. The most important part, migration of the people. Hindu people came to India, Muslim people went to Pakistan, and at the same time there are refugee camps and also people sending to the particular countries due to the religion only. You are going to learn what kind of situations happened at that time after the partition and how the common people suffered due to the partition. Here in this particular short story, you are going to learn how the lunatic, insane people suffered due to the partition. To make aware to the students with the situation of the people and their emotional struggle is well depicted in the story Toba Tek Singh by Sadat Hasan Manto. So you are going to aware about situation of the people and their emotional struggle. This is the most important part, that is emotional struggle. If you see the partition movies which are based on the partition, you will easily understand how the people struggled on their emotional level. So you are going to learn through this particular short story what are the characters, who are the characters, what are the themes and ideas about the partition depicted in this particular story. Next, that is Toba Tek Singh first published in 1953 in an Urdu magazine Savera and written at a time when Manto's energies were at their lowest ebbs in more ways than one. He had migrated to Pakistan in 1948. See, Toba Tek Singh published in 1953. Sadat Hasan Manto migrated from India to Pakistan in 1948 after the partition, after the independence. Constantly plagued by memories of the past, Manto could never bring himself to feel that he really belonged to Pakistan. See, due to the memories in India, he can't feel that he is going to live in that particular country called Pakistan. Increasing poverty and falling health drew him to alcoholism, and there came a time in his life when he almost got himself admitted to a mental asylum because his circumstances, coupled with his attitude to life, had pushed him into a deep depression. Due to the partition, Sadat Hasan Manto also suffered a lot. As a writer, He wrote all those details in his short stories, and Toba Tek Singh is one of the short story where he shows how the people suffered due to the partition, and his own biographical details we can see in the Toba Tek Singh. Manto locates his story Toba Tek Singh in a lunatic asylum. It is a setting of the story is in lunatic asylum near the border. The theme of partition to the world of the insane, highlighting the political absurdity of the partition itself. See, theme of partition shows the political situation and how the political people become insane because of the partition and the two countries, dividation of the two countries. It is called as a political absurdity of the partition itself. The particular story shows due to the political situations, all mankind suffered due to the partition. Story lodges a note of protest against the powers that be, who take such momentous decisions as splitting a country into two without ever thinking of the consequences. Here, the particular story shows the theme of the partition, that is, a note of protest against the powers who take such momentous decision. It is a decision in a moment, but it affects a lot of people and lot of generations as well. What is the theme of partition? That is, partition of the subcontinent into two separate geographical entities was that calamitous event in its history that changed not only its physical boundaries forever but also altered the lives of its people in an irrevocable manner. The horror, the madness, the bestiality, the violence, arson, looting, and rape that followed in the wake of the political decision was unprecedented. See, due to the partition, there is a horror in the mind of the people. They become mad due to the partition. If you, I would like to give example. That is, if you see the movie Gadar, in that movie, one of the character shows he is always says uh, Hindustan Zindabad, and he never know there is a partition, and he is now in Pakistan, and he is a brother of the big political leader, the father of that particular uh, protagonist heroine. And when we learn that that kind of madness happened due to the partition, the bestiality, the violence, arson, looting, and rape that followed in the wake of the political decision was unprecedented. The madness in this particular particular story, though Batik Singh shows us that is how people suffered due to the partition. Suddenly, overnight, all those secure walls of a shared tradition, shared culture, shared history came crumbling down. People of different communities who till then had led a harmonious and peaceful coexistence now turned into enemies. Reason was the first casualty and fear, and the range and then rage were its outcome. Neighbors who till yesterday would have died for each other now thirsted for one another's blood simply because they belonged to different communities. See, here the theme shows us that how the Hindu and Muslim people shared a culture of each other, shared their tradition, but due to the partition, within one night they become enemies of each other because of the communities and because of the religion. That is the partition of, as according to the religion, Hindu and Muslim. Scenes of senseless carriage were witnessed everywhere. A communal frenzy, a hypnotic obsession with violence overtook the people on both sides of the dividing line. It was ironical that the people of the same country who had set an example of winning a struggle in a non-violent manner, following the ideals of Gandhi, and had thrown off the yoke of British subjection would now turn against each other. That is due to the communal violence, as we learn it in general topic communal violence and the partition. Due to the partition, there is a community violence, and communities become enemies of each other. Manto's Toba Tek Singh deals with the theme of partition, concentrating on the tragedy of dislocation and exile. The madman Bishan Singh, the main character of the story, who hails from a small village in Punjab, Toba Tek Singh, is unable to take in the fact that the division of the subcontinent requires him to cross the border line and forget his homeland forever. Though Toba Tek Singh is a Bishan Singh, who is a who belongs to the rich family, landlord family, but he is put into the asylum due to his madness, and his madness is because of the partition, and he never know where he was or where he is. But in the story, we shall see shortly how the man becomes the place, and Bishan Singh refuses to comply with the orders, preferring to give up his life instead. He never want to leave that asylum because he never know where he is, and he died at the end of the story. This is very heart touching story and shows us the effect of the partition on the common people. Toba Tek Singh, the name of the village, till there is this villages exist. If you search on internet, you will understand how it exists and what is the actual story behind it. If you learn about the Toba Tek Singh village, where Toba Tek Singh Bishan Singh died, that place is named as Toba Tek Singh. And when we learn the particular short story, we will understand how he, Toba Tek Singh, is become insane and admitted to that asylum, and one of the part of that asylum, but all the other characters also named as a named themselves as a political leaders, and at the same time we learn Toba Tek Singh also belongs from the landlord family, and he always says that he is a belongs to the India. Here we can understand that is the emotional struggle of the particular character. If we learn the story, if we read the story, we will understand how it is a comment on the insanity of partition. The story is presentation of the fact and reality of the partition. Sympathy for the downtrodden people. That is, Sadat Hassan Manto is having sympathy for the downtrodden people. He wrote much about the downtrodden people as well as about the effect of the partition in his literature. Humanity stood above considerations of religion, caste, and creed. Here we see what is the meaning of humanity through this particular story of Toba Tek Singh. It shows the theme of humanity Bishan Singh's final posture. If you read the story, you will understand how for hours he stand in the particular place, and when police came to uh, give him to take him to the another place, he fall and he died in that particular place where he stands like a rock. And the next theme, that is presentation of the lunatic's life. The other characters from the lunatics are also important in this story, and they all call them as a Muhammad Ali Jinnah or other characters from the political parties. That is Master Tara Singh, Muhammad Ali Jinnah, called as a Quaid-e Azam, and all declared themselves as a master of Tara Singh, and situation has a dangerous potential of a bloody riot. So how it is a lunatic place and shows us the particular political situations and its effect on the characters of the story. Comment on the contemporary political world. It is a story which comment on the life of the people, and also at the same time comment and satires on the contemporary political world. Due to the political world, there is a partition, and it affects to the common people. So we can understand how it shows the political world is responsible for the partition. Next theme, life of lunatics and decisions of political world. How it is compared by Sadat Hasan Manto. Political people are actually insane, and they done their role and divided the two countries. So here in this particular story, we can understand that Toba Tek Singh is as one of the classics commenting on the insanity of the partition. It is a tragic indictment of the partition and the minds behind it. Manto himself was born in Ludhiana, Punjab, but migrated to Pakistan after the partition and was always ill at ease in the new situation. He also never uh, accept that partition, and he can't live in that situation. So here we can understand the theme of partition in Toba Tek Singh is presented very effectively, and you are going to learn about the character Toba Tek Singh, which is very heart touching character. And if we read the story, we can understand other characters also who are responsible for uh, the life in the lunatics. And here Toba Tek Singh presents the situations from after the aftermath of the partition. In the next lecture, we will learn about the character Toba Tek Singh and other themes as well. Till then, thank you. Stay so safe, stay home.